RT AX82U Wi-Fi schedule not applying. Autosave fix. Step 1. Access router's web interface and navigate to Wi-Fi schedule. Open a browser, type in your router's IP address, and log in. Once inside, navigate to AI protection or wireless, and then find the Wi-Fi schedule or time scheduling section. Step 2. Verify schedule settings and enable it. Carefully review your Wi-Fi schedule settings. Ensure the correct days and times are selected for when you want the Wi-Fi to be enabled or disabled. Crucially, make sure the Enable Wi-Fi schedule or similar toggle is set to on. Step 3. Click Apply to save changes. This is the most critical step for the autosave fix. After making any changes to the Wi-Fi schedule, even if you think it autosaves, always look for and click the Apply or Save button, usually found at the bottom of the page. This explicitly saves your configuration to the router's memory. Step 4. Synchronize router time. An incorrect router time can cause schedules to misfire. Go to Administration, System, and ensure Enable NTP Client is set to Yes. Select an appropriate time zone and click Apply to synchronize the router's clock with an accurate network time server. Step 5. Reboot router and monitor schedule. After saving all changes and synchronizing the time, it's a good practice to reboot your router to ensure all new settings are properly initiated. You can usually find a reboot or restart option under the Administration section in the web interface. Once it restarts, carefully monitor your Wi-Fi network at the scheduled times to confirm that the Wi-Fi schedule is now applying as intended.